Sample 6 is a thick butt with a backing. Root gap on the sample is critical. It must be 2 times your panel thickness. We have a combined total thickness of 3 millimeters. We'll be setting the machine for 3 millimeters thickness on 0.6 welding wire, and our arc length will be positive 0.5. So the root gap will be at least 3 millimeters thick. If it's too narrow, it will bridge the weld and will not penetrate the backing plate. If it's too wide, you will require too much filler wire to fill the root gap, creating undercut and requiring excessive amount of time to fill that joint. Always check your shroud for splatter. If splatter fills up inside the shroud, the contact tip will short circuit, which will reduce the amps that you are trying to put into the weld zone. Take your panels in place. This weld is completed in a continuous run. There's no weaving, no circling. It is one continuous run along the joint. As always, mark your maximum weld length. Starting at the top, pointing into the base plate, penetrate the base plate first. We have a weld bead that meets the minimum requirements and doesn't exceed the maximum requirements. We have the weld bead that's the correct length. Looking at the rear side of the weld, you'll see that we've penetrated into the base plate.